Good morning. Today we're going to be looking at Facebook, AMD, and Bitcoin. Assuming Facebook is coming out of this A, B, C correction, we're going to go into an impulsive structure. You see it stays in this channel right here in the beginning of this impulsive structure. And if we draw our Fibonacci from the assumable beginning of the 1 to the top of the 3, we hit our target for third at the 618. Some other confluence going on in here. Let's just check for some more confluence going on in here. So if we take this Fibonacci retracement for the 1, you notice we come down right to the golden zone, which sends us up on our 3. Let's see what else do we have here. We have an ABC correction right here. If this is the 1, 2, let's see where that puts that. So 1, 2. Zoom in there to get a better view. Okay, so we have our 1, 2. It's a deep second wave retracement. It comes right to the 887. Put it at the top there, right to the 887. Where's our target? It blew right past the 2618. It's a high probability zone for 3. So this is going to be an extended third. I'm assuming it's going to go into a fourth wave correction right here. Let's just take a look at one more measurement. So let's see if this is a flat A, B, C correction right here. Okay, look at that. It goes right to the 127. That's a common place for the C wave. So this is A, B, C. So checking those, I would say this is going into a fourth wave correction right here. I wouldn't trade the fourth wave. They're hard to predict. I would wait till it completes the 5 and then heads for a retracement and buy long after that retracement. So in the weeks to come. Next up, we're going to look at AMD. Here's the pitchfork I drew last week. So assuming we've reached the top of an impulse wave right here, we're coming to a B, and then going down into a C for the correction. On the count right here, we have 1 and some sort of running flat, A, B, C, to get to our 2, and then 3, 4. This is a ending diagonal for 5 to complete our 1. And notice this impulse or this zigzag ABC to the 2. So I believe we're headed up on a 3. This is just the 1 of the 3. But look, blew past our median line target here. Blew past our median line target. So if we measure this 1, assuming it starts there, it goes right to the golden zone. Right to the golden zone. Once it hits the golden zone, it blows up through this median line target right there. Boom. From these 3 points. So um, this might be the one of the three. So we might see it break up to higher highs. Maybe something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get that 3. That's assuming this one wave is extended. Let's see how deep the retracement is going to be for this right here. Uh, let's wait for a significant correction on this movement right here. If we start to head down here, we break past the 236, break past the 382. It'd be something to keep an eye on at the 50 to buy long here, or at the 618 to buy long here. But let's keep an eye. If it moves up more, don't buy in now. Wait for a significant retracement. Finally, we're gonna look at Bitcoin. So right now we have a target, bearish target, coming off this 1, 2, 3, 4, going into this 5. See what kind of confluence we have here. Alright, this one wave coming out of the 4 goes right to the 50 here. So you got 1, 2, some sort of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zoom in. Okay, so we have some sort of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C for the 2, which goes right to the 0.5 on this one wave right here, retracement. It goes right to the 0.5. So off that, where are we? What are we looking at this significant swing low to swing high? So from this swing low, or from this swing high to swing low for this one, we have a retracement right to the golden zone too. So is this, did we just put in our, did we just put in our 2 of the 3 of the 5? Is this what's going on right here? Interesting, interesting. It'll be good to find out. What I want to say this looks like is this looks like a 1, 2. I would wait for a significant retracement here. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw my swing low to swing high. Assuming that's done, I'm going to watch for a retracement to the golden zone here. Maybe to the 382. Probably not. More likely to the 0.5 or to the golden zone. That's what I'm going to wait for here to go short. But if you're not gonna go short, I would highly recommend staying in cash right now if you're trading cryptocurrency. It's just in a correction. So, pleasure having you guys. Have a great day of trading.